What's good, man? As y'all can see, I am out here in the snow, in the blizzard that we just got, man. I just wanted to do something different for the AI journey videos. I know I'm always in the office, well, not the office, the bedroom on my laptop. But I just want to give y'all an update on what's going on, man. So currently, I'm still thugging it. Meaning, I am still trying to make something happen, learning, trying to get some voice AI clients. But some crazy opportunities are coming. And I say that to say this, man. If anybody is like pivoting to entrepreneurship, into something new such as AI, and you need some type of motivation, take this as motivation, you know? If you know the story, if you've been tapped in, I got laid off in July. It is now the following year, February. You feel me? I got laid off when it was sunny outside. Now it's nothing but snow. And there's a whole new year. And I'm probably the happiest I ever been, you feel me, in terms of just like making sure I got my freedom back, you know? My freedom feel good. And I'm learning about AI and opportunities are coming, and yo, it's something to be proud of, man. It's something to be proud of. It's like, I had did a presentation the other day, and it was amazing. Like I got good feedback on it, and now I got a follow-up meeting. First of all, the presentation was amazing. If you guys see the YouTube video, go check it out. And then I got a follow-up meeting with one of the doctors, and then someone just posted on LinkedIn that, you know, they wanted to talk to me about this company that's starting up. So things are looking up and up. In the storm is still looking up. Still feeling good. You know what? I'm gonna go down there. I like the snow because it be quiet though. Nobody be outside but the regular people. But it feel good. And the corner store open. Should get some ice cream. I ain't gonna do that today though. But yeah, so some opportunities are coming, and I'm learning, man. Just like anything else, man, there's a storm that happens and comes, but you gotta just keep moving, man. Keep going, keep pushing. You feel me? You still got business, still needs to run, no matter what. Life keeps going. And I want y'all to understand that, man. Whatever you pivot in, whether you believe in AI or not, I want this page to be AI focused, but I just want you to be motivated as to like what's going on in the world. The world is changing. New York ain't get snow like this in so long, and years. I've been out here for 10, 11 years. New York ain't get snow like this in so long. You know what I mean? So it's like the world is changing, man. And you gotta change with it. You gotta put your coat on, you gotta bundle up, and you gotta brace for it. It's not just AI, but AI is a part of it, man. I'm be honest. AI is gonna be just like this. Just like this. That's how AI is gonna be, man. And you either gonna be out here with a jacket and gloves on your way because you prepared, or someone wearing shorts thinking something else. Gotta stay focused on the end goal. Gotta stay focused on the end goal. And that's being the best version of yourself, investing in yourself, man. These companies do not care about you. I don't want you to ever think a company care about you more than, sometimes they don't even care about the owner, you know what I mean? Because they have investors. So build something epic. And if lifetime, whether it's with AI or it's not, build something epic. Build something that you could stand on with your own 2 feet. Have fun with it, man. Be honest with yourself. Be grateful. I'm gonna go back inside. But I just want y'all to know that anything's possible. I'm out here in the snow right now, and they got corner stores open. People moving, the bus is still going. Anything possible, baby. We keeping the ball rolling. We don't care about no blizzard. We do not care about no blizzard. Snow comes and goes in this motherfucker. If this was a Stone Age, we would have had to go and find a deer or something. If this was one of the Ice Age snow, the Stone Age, we would have had to go outside and hunt a bear, a lion, or something to go eat. So keep hunting. Keep hunting, keep staying positive. Whew. It feels so good to be outside, though. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's like freeing. It's like freeing. It feels good. Whew. It feels so good. I know you see the smile on my face because this just, oh my God. Sometimes you just gotta get out and be in nature to understand, like, life is precious, bro. And it is not about some job that you've been working. It's not about some role that you're trying to get. It's not about getting a raise or a promotion, man. It's about building something that you could stand on, man. Building something that could brace for a blizzard. Feel good. I'm happy I came out here. I'm happy I took this walk. Feel good, man. Whew.